runway 33 Quebec, number 2, follow 875 at the Manor, report traffic in sight.
Traffic in sight over Manor, 33 Quebec.
Cessna 3833 Quebec, roger, extend downwind, number 2, follow E75 at the Manor. Runway 32, cleared for the option, then make left, close traffic.
Extending for number 2, cleared for the option with left traffic, 33 Quebec.
Skywas 3779, contact departure, be good.
Over departure, we'll see Skywas 379.
Skywas 3806, traffic 11 o'clock, 2 miles, to Cessna on the left, downwind to follow you.
Rocking Skywas 3806.
Upper Tower Helicopter 973, Mike Foxtrot.
Helicopter 973, Mike Foxtrot, Medford Tower.
Yes, sir, about 8.5 out to the southwest of the field out of 4,000 with Delta for the Mercy ramp, please.
Helicopter 973, Mike Foxtrot, roger. Enter the Delta at or below 2,300 as you get 3 miles from the airport at or above 500 feet AGL.
It will stay at or about 2,300 and as we get closer, at about
500. Back to US
8 Towers, Skywas 3806, the traffic is right over us.
Skywas 3806, roger. Runway 32, clear land.
32 clear land, Skywas 3806.
Cessna 3833 Quebec, Medford Tower.
33 Quebec to Medford Tower.
Cessna 3833 Quebec, you just gave me a heart attack. What are you doing, sir?
Told me to extend, and I
Cessna 3833 Quebec, your instruction was to stay on the downwind and follow the E75. You overflew the aircraft, and then now you're on the east side of 32.
Roger, I extended downwind. I took my base too wide. 33 Quebec.